it's important, first of all, to step back and say, why is our relationship to sound important in our development and in our lives? And, one of the first senses to fully develop in utero is our sense of movement and rhythm and sound. So, when we are in the an embryo, we are processing the sound in the womb. We are forming a connection with our mother. So we are developing our auditory pathways and our relationship to sound before birth. So it is primary, it is absolutely fundamental, and it is a key sense to our survival. We're born with two fears. We have a fear of heights and we have a fear of loud sounds. The relationship to sound is part of our survival as a species. To understand, is that sound in my environment a threat? Do I need to fight? Do I need to flee? Or am I going to feign and absolutely shut down?